I'm Maddie and you're watching THS Today. We interviewed some of our JROTC members about Veterans Day and we got some footage of Market Day. Go watch. Today we're here with
Adam Preston.
And Adam, what is your role in JROTC?
So I'm the battalion commander. I do a lot of the planning with the coordination of staff and all that. So everything that we try to plan to do, so all of our service learning projects, all the things like drill and raiders goes through me. I approve it, I'll get it done.
And what does it mean to you to be in JROTC?
Consistent, to be responsible, be mature. That's the big thing. Being mature is a big part of it, and knowing when it's appropriate to say certain things over others.
And what is your guys' view on the Veterans Day Assembly tomorrow? What's your action for that?
I'm pretty excited for it actually. It's one of the big things that JROTC is known for. It's the time of the year that we actually get to show out as a battalion. And everybody recognizes us as JROTC and not just the kids in uniform every Tuesday.
Right. Okay, thank you. Today we're here with
Michael Carey.
And Michael, what is your role in JROTC?
I'm the S1, so it is my job to keep track of all cadet records, so awards and their scores on the cadet challenge and the things that they participate in. I also am the Raiders co-commander, so I help the team do workouts and lead them to competitions.
Okay, and what are your future plans?
I plan to join the Army. I'm actually applying for West Point here soon.
Okay, and how do you feel about the assembly coming up for Veterans Day?
I feel like it's a good way to honor and appreciate our veterans that have made the ultimate sacrifice for our country.
Okay, thank you. So today we're here with
Trey, Chris.
And Trey and Chris, what are you guys selling for Market Day tomorrow?
We're selling Cane's chicken.
And how do you guys plan on being successful?
By working together as a team and doing a good job of marketing.
Okay, thank you. Today we're here with
Damara.
And Damir. What are you and your group selling for Market Day?
We are selling chicken quesadillas and beef quesadillas and a dessert, banana pudding, and a drink.
And how do you think you and your group are going to do for Market Day tomorrow?
I think we're going to do pretty well, and we should be able to reach our goal.
Okay, thank you. Here with
I'm Kevin.
And Kevin, what is your group selling for Market Day tomorrow?
We're selling tacos and horchata.
And how do you think your group is going to be successful?
Well, I think my group's personally going to do the best out of all the groups. Last year we had a pretty good performance with the same food, and I think this year we won't disappoint.
Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.